Did you know that London boasts over 170 museums? From grand institutions like the British Museum to quirky collections like the Museum of London Docklands, there's something for everyone. But with so much to see and do, planning a short trip to this dynamic city can feel overwhelming. Fear not. This 3-day itinerary will be your guide, ensuring you experience the best of London without feeling rushed. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Our journey begins in the heart of London, where history comes alive. Start your day with a visit to the Tower of London. Explore the ancient fortress and marvel at the crown jewels. Next, witness the changing of the guard ceremony at Buckingham Palace. The colorful spectacle is a must-see. Enjoy a leisurely stroll through St. James's Park, a peaceful oasis amidst the bustling city. In the afternoon, experience the London Eye. This iconic Ferris wheel offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. From there, take a leisurely walk along the South Bank. Enjoy street performers and pop-up food stalls. As the day winds down, treat yourself to a delicious meal at Borough Market. This vibrant food market offers a wide variety of cuisines. Day 2 is all about immersing yourself in London's vibrant culture. Begin your day with a visit to the British Museum. Explore its vast collection of art and artifacts from around the world. Afterwards, wander through the colorful streets of Covent Garden. Browse the market stalls and enjoy a street performance. For lunch, savor authentic Indian cuisine in the lively neighborhood of Brick Lane. In the afternoon, climb to the top of St. Paul's Cathedral. The dome offers spectacular views of London's skyline. Afterwards, take a relaxing walk along the River Thames. Enjoy the cityscape from a different perspective. As evening descends, experience the magic of a West End theater performance. Choose from a variety of award-winning shows. Day 3, exploring hidden gems and saying farewell. On your final day, let's uncover some of London's hidden gems. Start your morning with a visit to the tranquil Kyoto Garden in Holland Park. This serene oasis offers a moment of peace in the city. Next, delve into the world of art at the Tate Modern. This renowned gallery houses a vast collection of modern and contemporary art. Indulge in a delicious lunch at Borough Market. You'll find a variety of culinary delights. In the afternoon, explore the charming neighborhood of Notting Hill. Browse its colorful houses and unique shops. Alternatively, discover the historical treasures of the Churchill War Rooms. This underground bunker offers a glimpse into Britain's wartime past. As your London adventure comes to an end, enjoy a final meal at a traditional pub. Savor the flavors of classic British cuisine. London is a city that never sleeps, overflowing with history, culture, and excitement. This itinerary is just a starting point. There are countless other hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From the street art of Shoreditch to the vintage shops of Camden Town, London has something for everyone. So start planning your trip, book your flights, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in this captivating city. For more detailed itineraries and travel tips, be sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to share your London adventures with us. We'd love to hear about your favorite moments. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.